Hey Indies, welcome back to my channel. First and foremost, thank you guys so much for 8,000 subscribers. You guys don't know how excited I am to have you guys here. Now, I know it's been forever since I've posted a video, and that's why I wanted to make sure that when I came back, it was gonna be content worth watching. Trust me, you guys. You're definitely going to want to stay to the end of this video. If you guys are new here, I am Ashante. I am an independent designer of Christian Omeshun. We're a plus size ready to wear brand catering to sizes 12 to 32. And I created this channel to basically help entrepreneurs, small, independent, and aspiring designers to become brands, just like myself. So like many of you, I actually went to school for design, but I started out honestly just with a goal, a vision, and an idea. And after school, I was left with, well, what am I going to do with this degree? What am I going to do with this thing now? And so I just decided to just go for it. Literally made some sketches, made some designs, called the model. She took some pictures and I posted them joints. Real raw, real, man, listen, all I'm going to say is this, growth, you guys. Let's just talk about the growth. Okay, and that's what this video is about. This is why I'm super excited. Now, you guys have not seen me in over 6 months, and there are many reasons why. One, just like many of you, my business and myself, my livelihood was affected by COVID. So I went through the natural pandemic that everybody else went through. Also, in November 2020, I lost my mom. So that was a battle within itself. And all while doing that, I decided to just really take a step back from my brand and just look at some of the opportunities that I had and see how I could really reposition myself to scale and to grow. And so I am super excited to be producing content again, you guys. It's been a roller coaster, and you guys are going to see some of what that roller coaster has been like. So what I wanted to do with this particular video was I wanted to show you guys the true, raw, like, inside look to what it is like to create a collection. Now, before I get into this video, if you guys are not a part of my family, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I promise you guys there's so much more content coming. Just give me a chance to, work it out. But I promise you, this video is so worth watching, and I have so much more in store. We are getting our business together in 2021. I'm super excited about the things that I've learned for myself, and I'm hoping that you guys are equally excited as I am. Now, I will be releasing the details to my collection lunch mastermind, you guys. So if you guys love this video at the end and you want to know how you can do this for your business, for yourself, for your brand, how you can scale, how you can grow, how you can create content, how to make transactional emails, the whole nine to building the collection, clothing manufacturers down to your labels, down to the actual fabric, down to small batch manufacturers. If you want to know the whole nine, I got you guys, and I'm going to launch the details to my collection lunch masterclass after this video. So make sure you guys stay tuned all the way to the end. For more updates, you guys, your girl has shaved her head, honey. I've also lost over 110 pounds. So 2020 for me, honestly, you guys, it was just about the glow up, honestly, getting myself together, my physical, my finances, my business, just the whole nine. And this is why I'm so excited to be back. I'm hoping that I can share some of the things that have inspired me to keep pushing, to keep growing, and to keep doing this thing, you guys. Like, let me tell you, doing this whole collection, I had to restart. I pushed my collection date, my shoot date back twice. The first time I had to push it back because I just wasn't ready. I still wasn't really set on the designs 100%, and I still wasn't exactly set on some of the colors. I was having problems finding some of the color fabrics. Another reason why I had to push back is because my mom ended up going into the hospital. So it was just one of those things where I felt like, darn, every time I push forward, I take 2 steps forward, I'm getting pushed 10 steps back. But what was most important for me was not to rush the process. I just got so tired of releasing things prematurely. Many of you guys, or if you guys don't know, I've been doing this thing for 7 years. 7 years as an independent brand, just out here really hustling, grinding, feet on the pavement. So, I just want to try to do something different. And so this year, I really put a lot of detail into the content, the staging. If you guys don't know, I did do the photography for my photo shoot as well. So some of you guys know that I do photography, some of you guys don't. But you'll get a chance to see the equipment that I used. And you'll also be able to see, honestly, it's me, you guys, my friends. I had my friends helping me. I do have an intern, I do have an assistant, but honestly, you guys, it's mostly just me. And so you're going to see how it's really done. Anyways, I know you guys are going to appreciate this content. Your girl is back, period. If you guys haven't hit the subscribe button by now, I need you guys to go ahead and do that. I'm super excited. Make sure you tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Oh, and before I forget, if you guys are not a part of my Facebook group, Indie Fashion Creators by Ashante, make sure you click the link down below in the subscription box. Why do you need to do this? Because if you are looking to connect with me outside of YouTube, physically, if you want to ask questions about the business of fashion, get some on-hand, literally conversation, engage with other designers, like-minded designers, aspiring designers, other hustling individuals, I'm gonna need y'all to join my Facebook group, Indie Fashion Creators by Ashante. It'll be linked down below in the subscription box. Let's go. Now, without further ado, you guys, let's get into the creation of New Boheme.
All right, Indy, so let's get into this collection. So some of the places that I used to source fabric for this collection was Fine Fabrics, that's located here in Atlanta, Georgia. And this is in Norcross. I also did Big Z Fabrics, but I'll make sure I'll list it down below in the description box. And then I just want to show you guys just a little BTS of us just getting to it. We were sewing our lives away, just trying to get these samples done and get these PR boxes out. So we went in, honestly. Now here are some of the PR boxes that I ended up creating, and I'll make sure that I show you guys some of those supplies later on in the video. And then here I just was testing some of the samples as they were coming off the machine, and I had some of the models to come in for a fitting as well. And so I just wanted to make sure I included some of that process in here as well. You guys, I honestly put multiple steps, 6 months of planning and, doing fittings, all kind of things were happening. So remember, even though this is 20 minutes, you guys, this is over 6 months worth of content. So here are more of the PR boxes. I just wanted to show you guys some of the supplies that I got. I did add wholesale to my website, so that was a part of this relaunch as well. And here was where I just wanted to show you guys where we were branding the envelopes. Now, I did do a video on this already. It's on my YouTube channel. I use my Cricut machine to do this, you guys. Like I said, everything is in-house, and the whole purpose of me doing this is to cut costs. Now, I did see a few websites that did do custom envelopes, but honestly, y'all, they was too high. So I actually ended up getting a better deal purchasing the envelopes wholesale through Uline, and just purchasing the vinyl and creating the envelopes that way. Here's some more of the packaging for the PR boxes. Now, this is my first time doing PR boxes, but I was really excited about this process, y'all.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be showing you guys how we stage for my website relaunch. You guys know I did talk about a few resources that I wanted to share with you guys, and this is one of them. So make sure you tune in. And today's my birthday, just FYI. So I'm doing all of this on my birthday, you guys. So Megan was just great enough to come in here and help me get my stuff together. I'm still holding myself accountable. We're gonna party tonight, but I still had to get the job done. So make sure you guys tune in. And yeah, I'll see y'all later on in the video. Bye.
Alright, you guys, now let's get into this photo shoot staging area. Now this is my good friend Megan, you guys. She was so amazing. She's another designer here in Atlanta, Georgia, but she was so gracious to come in and help me get my life together. Let me tell you something, teamwork makes the dream work around here. So I called my sis, let her know what my ideas were for New Boheme, and she came here on the day of my birthday actually, and honestly we just got to staging. So right here I just wanted to share with you guys how we created the backdrop for New Boheme. Now I actually used the fabric from the collection, so this was probably about 25 yards of fabric, and what we did was just go ahead and pin it to the wall just to create like this drapery effect. Now I had like a picture, which I'll show you guys a little later in the video, but I had a picture that was my inspiration from Pinterest, and so you know I just wanted to honestly put my own spin on it or whatever. But once we start creating a set, we wanted to create more than one set in the living room. And you guys, I do want to add, I was in my living room, okay? So I actually just wanted to create that at home. You know, we're lounging now, just get with the program of 2021 and connect that experience with my customers. So we used my living room as the staging area, and we created 3 different sets and we tested them out. So you'll just see where I took some pictures of them, and yeah, it was amazing, you guys. So here's where I took the pictures of the sets, and this is what you want to do if you're doing any type of staging or whatever. Take some pictures just so you can see what's actually going to be in the shot. It's not about what's all around, you guys, it's just about what's in the frame. And so that's what this is about, and that's why I'm so excited to be sharing with you guys this process. Now we get to the day of the photo shoot. You guys, everything that could happen was happening. It was so much going on. It was probably about 14 hours. We did about 14 hours of shooting that day. We did e-commerce, we did editorial, and then we also just did some extra social media content, reels, TikTok footage. I mean the whole 9, you guys. If you guys are shooting, make sure you have a plan. You should have a shot list. You should know what content you're going to be shooting the day of that shoot, and that is why I am doing the Collection Lunch Mastermind, so that we can go into detail about what it is that you want to do, what the goals for your shoot is, you know, what do you want to, what are your results going to be, what results do you want to receive from it. Like, that's what this whole entire process was about. I was really intentional about the things that I wanted to do. I started researching, like I said, over 6 months ago. I knew I wanted to do something that was essential, but yet still had that Christian Omeshun, you know, sophistication, vibe, and trend to it. So that is exactly what we did here. I also did video footage for this content shoot as well, and that is going to be attached at the end. So make sure you guys go all the way to the end so you can see what this actually end up coming out to be. And if you guys aren't following me on Instagram, make sure you follow me on Instagram at Christian Omeshun. Overall, you guys, this collection was a lot of work. This was my baby. It took so much time, dedication, and just perseverance to get this done. I really hope you guys enjoy this content. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys want to see more videos, or let me know what you want to see down below in the description box. And here's New Boheme.